Good day guys, and welcome to our channel. Well, how are you doing? I just hope that we're all doing fine despite the difficulty we're facing nowadays. By the way, for first timers in our channel, please, after watching, kindly subscribe. Last video, I made a pasta dish using a velouté sauce. I made a pasta dish using a fancy shaped pasta named fusilli. Today, I will make a pasta dish using a tomato concassé or fresh tomato sauce. I will also be using a whole grain spaghetti. That's why the color is not so white. And I will include in the sauce mini fish quenelles. I will also show you guys how to make a fish farce for our fish quenelles, and I will be poaching it. To start, I will first show you guys how to make a fish farce for our fish quenelles. Our ingredients are: we'll be making a fish farce because we'll be making a fish quenelle, a mini fish quenelle for our dish today. So our ingredients is 250 grams of fish fillet, and then 2 pieces egg whites, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. And later on, we'll be adding cream to make it really white. So guys, we'll start now to process our ingredients. Okay guys, we'll start our fish farce to make a quenelle. So we'll just have to put everything in a food processor. Here, the fish fillet. Make sure that the fish fillet is well chilled. And then our egg whites, our cornstarch, and salt and pepper. And then we'll just process it. Okay, so we'll just process it until fine. Then we will add the butter, so it should become smooth and fine. Then we'll add our cream. And then our chopped parsley. And then now it's finished, we'll take it out. It's finished, we'll take it out and then we will make it a quenelle. We will make the quenelle. This the method of cooking is poaching. So we will poach it. And this is how to make a quenelle. You have to wet your spoons, your teaspoons, and you have to do it this way. So this is a quenelle. So this is a fish quenelle. So this is poaching. There you are. And poaching, it should there should be no boiling. Okay, this is how to make a quenelle. Now all of the quenelles are already in the seasoned fish stock. You will notice that it's not boiling because I am just poaching it. So meaning there should be no boiling. No, it will just be cooked. You will notice if it is cooked, it will just float. No? The benefit we get from poaching is that the reduction in size is very, very, very minimal. So when you assume that you made that big, it will remain that size. Okay, so we'll just wait for all of the quenelles to float. It is a sign that it's already cooked, and then we'll take it out. Now we will take all of the quenelles out because it already float. So it's a sign that it's already cooked because it already floats. So there you are. So this is a fish quenelle. You can make it bigger and then you can serve it as main course. You can make it medium. If you make it medium, you can serve it for the... We will now make our tomato concassé. Our sauce for today for our pasta dish. We call it concassé because the meaning of concassé is chopped. So it's a tomato sauce with chopped tomato. So our ingredients, of course, is a freshly squeezed tomato, peeled and seeded. And then we also have chopped onions. We also have chopped garlic. And then the fresh tomato sauce. And then we will have a chicken stock in case our sauce is dry. And then chopped basil. I ran out of chopped fresh basil, that's why I use dried basil. Guys, we will start. We have here our wok pan, and we'll just be adding olive oil. Okay, and then we'll start to saute the garlic until it is caramelized or light brown. Okay, so there you are. The garlic is there. And then after the garlic, we will be adding our chopped onions. Okay. We'll wait for this until it gets caramelized, and then we will add our onion. Now it's brown, we will add the onions. It's already caramelized, so the onions goes in there. And then until the onions is translucent. Okay, now we will add the tomato. So there goes the tomato, and then you will just keep on stirring it for about, let's say, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now we will add the fresh tomato sauce and the basil leaves. There you are. So the puree. Okay, so we will now add a little chicken stock so that it will not become dry. There you are. And then of course we'll add some spices in form of bay leaf. And since we are Filipinos and we are Asians, so our taste palette is more on the sweet side. That's why we'll be adding a little sugar. Little sugar. And then we will add our quenelle. Okay. And then we will arrange this in our plate. Okay. So I have here with me my buttered spaghetti. The spaghetti, don't be surprised with the color because I use what we call this, whole wheat flour in preparing this spaghetti. It's a whole grain flour. Okay, and then we will spoon some sauce on top of our spaghetti. There you are. So instead of making meatballs, for a change, I use fish quenelles. There we go. Okay. Now to add some cheese. So, guys, there you are. Our spaghetti with fish quenelles in tomato sauce. Got it, guys? So, I hope you learned something today. So, it's now ready to serve. Okay, guys. I believe I have shown you how to use a tomato concassé or tomato sauce in pasta cookery. I also have shown you guys how to make a fish farce and how to make a quenelles. The batter for the quenelle is for the texture so that it will not get dry when cooked. Next video, I'll be using a bechamel sauce for our dish. Well, should you have any comment, please just write it below so that I can easily address your concerns. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Casambon signing off. God bless us all.